Welcome back to Ballistic High Speed. Today is going to be a shorter, bit more fun episode.
Yes.
Tell us what we've got.
So we have, last I checked, the most powerful handgun in the world. This is the Smith Wesson 500 Magnum.
It's a big boy.
It is huge. So we've had the Desert Eagle before.
Which was a good contender.
Very good contender. A little bit heavier round. It'll be a little bit faster.
As you can see, it's a pretty big cartridge there. We've got a cool 3D skull target from Alien Go Boom. He sent that out to us, part of their Monstertargets. I don't know what's in there. So it could be blood, could be green goo. I have no idea. So
I heard something in there though.
Yeah. So he's gonna have a bad day. We had our ballistic skull, the first video. His name was Abe, so his name is rightfully Kennedy. So we'll just leave it at that. So let's get these loaded up and let's see what happens.
Let's do it. All right. Smith & Wesson versus Alien Head. Ready?
Yep. Holy. Oh, Adam, I am so sorry.
It tastes so terrible.
Looks like a crime scene.
Welcome to Ford Theater. Can I help you find your seat?
Okay. Wow. There's some of them. That was so much more intense than I thought it would be.
Wow.
Oh man, we got to clean that up.
Yeah. And me. Can I take a shower before the next shot?
Sure. Oh my gosh.
Look where the trigger guard protected my index finger.
Perfectly.
Do I have like raccoon? Do I have like raccoon eyes?
Okay. I gotta watch high speed. 15,000 frames a second. What I'm curious about is, does it outpace the muzzle flare quickly? Or are we gonna get just covered with muzzle flare?
I think it'll outrun it.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
I thought the Desert Eagle looked like a cannon. This looks like a cannon. Yeah. Look at that.
You get more flare out of the wheel than some firearms produce out of the muzzle.
So it goes almost probably 8 inches, and then the bullet, there it is. Yep. So we got a good distance there.
Good.
And look, the flame just mixing in with the blood.
And then there comes my shower.
That was so good.
Man, I let that muzzle kick high. Look at that, it went all the way out of frame.
Wow, there he goes. So I'm curious, the angle we shot with our flex, we should be able to see the bullet come out on the other side.
Out of the backside?
Yeah. Let's go check that one out.
How many frames per second is this one?
This is only about 6,000.
6,000?
So this one is more emphasis on quality.
Okay.
But it should be enough speed to see that come out the other side.
Holy smokes.
That was energetic. So this is 6,000 frames a second, and that bullet is just getting out of there. We haven't seen that angle before of the exit so clearly, and all those skull fragments, and the gel is just misted.
If you look, that's in line. It didn't deflect, it didn't do a damn thing.
And that's such a good freeze frame too.
Oh my God.
He now has an overbite.
I got a headache. These things are insane, dude. Both the weapon system and your cameras just, and we still have the 103,000 frame to go.
100,000 frames a second. Okay, time for the V2512.
Yes.
Oh man.
I'm excited. It is a large projectile.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's out the other side before most of the stuff starts happening.
Look at that flare coming in. That's so beautiful. You can see it having like rivulets as it's moving around all the bones and the blood. I feel like it blew apart those droplets and like parted them. You see that like V shape there?
Uh-huh.
This is graphic.
This is insane.
Somehow this is more graphic than the ballistic head with the 50 cal. Look at the wound open up and then close itself. It's like a little mouth. Beautiful shot, man. That was excellent.
That can't be healthy. Oh yeah, that's the backside of his head.
Oh my God.
There's his face.
It looks like one of those shop lights that, yeah. There's some pieces out here. There's his eye. Here's his upper jaw. Does that have the bottom of his nose in the front?
If we hold him that orientation, yeah. Got your nose.
Okay. Well, guys, I think that's a pretty perfect way to wrap up this video.
I think so.
Yeah, first time featuring the Smith & Wesson 500, beast of a gun. We're obviously gonna have that back on the channel. We just wanted something new and refreshing for you guys, something shorter, quicker paced, just beautiful, glorious high speed to look at. If you've got suggestions on what to shoot with that bad boy, let us know. If you've got other suggestions for us to do on the channel, comments below. Patreon, our Patreon's starting to take off a little bit more. So yeah. Once we get into some of the more, as I said in the last video, spicy content, we're gonna get some exclusive stuff over on the Patreon.
A shout out to Alien Go Boom and Monstertargets. If you guys like the ballistic stuff we do, but aliens are more your thing, now you've seen, you have options.
Yeah, wow, this was incredible.
Oh, and it does stain your skin.
Yeah, be careful about that. But yeah, so thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Finger guns.